In this video, I'm going to show you how to check watch history on YouTube. Now, for us to get this done, what you're going to do really is just tap the U button down below or click your profile down here. So what you should be seeing is this one. You have here your profile, and then down below is going to be the history. So what you're going to do is just click the view all in here, and there you go. So you should be able to access the videos that you have recently watched from here. Now, say for example, you want to remove some of these specific videos. For example, what you're going to do is just click this three dots here, and you should be able to click this one in order to remove that. Now, what if, say for example, you're going to click this three dots, you'll be presented with different options. So you have there pause watch history, clear all watch history, manage all history, watch it on TV, and then help and feedback. So yeah, go ahead and choose how you want to proceed from this point forward. Say for example, if I want to pause, I'm gonna go ahead and click this one here and tap the pause button over there. So basically what's gonna happen is that if you're going to watch videos from this point forward, it's not gonna be recorded in your history. And yeah, everybody, that is basically how you are going to get this done. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great day.